That was just about the worst night I've ever experienced camping. And it had nothing to do with anything but my right knee. Good times. Good morning. Finally back out in the canoe. Feels awesome. Swing a paddle again, open water. It's crazy to think that just a couple weeks ago we were walking on ice out here, still 2 feet thick, and now all of a sudden spring's come in a rush. Still chilly, chance of snow tonight, but I'm back up here with Teunis from Freakin' Nature. We linked up and decided to get out here at our first opportunity to see if we could find some fish and just get the boats in the water, work out the cobwebs for trips we've got planned for the summer. Got Cooper along, of course. We're gonna explore this lake and maybe a few creeks around, see what we can find. Hopefully we can tie into a fish or two. It's looking good though. So nice to be back on the water again. Just coming in to check out our first campsite. Teunis is gonna jump out. That is if he...
Do I look like I'm new or what?
Swivel the camera around just to get a good angle of you falling in.
Yeah. Imagine it would. I wouldn't even put it past me.
That was graceful.
Yeah. Not wet.
That's what matters. This lake we're on straddles the border of Algonquin. So we paddled down into the park just to take a little look around to see what the campsites down there looked like. But now we're into the crownland portion of this lake. So there's a few campsites we know of down here. A couple options of places to camp. Figured we might as well take a look. Try a little more fishing. Another option for camping. Oh, maybe we'll pop out here, take a look. Learned that lesson the hard way. These boats are so light that I always tie it up now, because a good stiff wind to flip it over and throw it in the lake, and then you gotta swim after it, which isn't fun this time of year. It's even got a chin-up bar. I don't think it's made for me to do chin-ups on, that's for sure. Decent enough sight.
Yeah, I think we discussed this already. Pretty sure I have the same one, that 10 by 10.
This is 10 by 12.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit bigger.
Yeah, same thing.
I'm almost there. Just trying to make sure that I have enough coverage on either side. That looks pretty good.
Clean a little brush out from underneath there.
Yeah, I'll get the scrapey scrapes so it doesn't serenade me like last time. Every time I rocked, it was like,
Bears will be coming back out now, so going back to putting my food in this Ursack. Bear-proof bag. But gotta feed the dog, eh? You hungry? What's that? There you go. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're each going to take our boat to the mainland and see what we can find over there. Got some steaks for dinner, so we got to get those cooked up.
there,
Yeah. You got something on your nose. Now I'm limping around here because I did something to my knee when I slipped. It seems like it's a little tender, but we've got wood back in camp, which is awesome. Hopefully this throbbing goes down on my knee. Not good, but I ended up just backing the boat in here. There's not really a decent landing area on this island. So when I backed up, I was able to get out and then just drag the boat up the pine needles around the rocks, and it's fairly smooth, but less than ideal, I guess.
Oh yeah. It's a nice piece, man. Oh, she's gonna be a good fire.
Yeah, all your favorite toys, buddy, we're gonna burn them. Leave it. My knee is only getting worse. Oh, it's like extremely painful, depending which way I move. But oh, I slipped on a rock getting out of the canoe to go get firewood, and I felt something pull and heard a pop on the inside of my knee right here. And since then, it's just been getting more and more painful. So, hobbling around camp for now, we're getting by. But, see how it feels, you know, tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't get a whole lot worse, eh? Hopefully, either tonight or tomorrow, we can get out and do a little more fishing, but... Anyway, hey, what are you doing? You and your sticks. You and your sticks. You and your sticks, hey? Oh, is anyone else's dog a lunatic? There's Easter eggs in there.
Yep, dragon eggs.
We're having T-bones tonight, so a little treat for the pup. Nice big bone here. Oh, there you go. Okay. All right.
Spring is here, guys and gals.
Oh yeah, those potatoes are pretty much perfection. I don't know about yours, but mine's
Yeah, awesome.
mine's fluffy.
Completely, yeah. Got some of this stuff. Had an awesome dinner. Oh my, I'm so full. Ate so much food. Steaks and potatoes and asparagus and onions, and that was great. So delicious. But the rain and the wind are only picking up, and it's kind of on the verge of wet snow, and it's kind of nasty out. So I'm gonna crawl into my sleeping bag, call it a night, and we'll see you in the morning. I could not sleep last night. It's just throbbing. It aches to bend my knee, to straighten it, to just change positions was just agony all night long. So I slept in little fits. You know, I feel like I was up just constantly. Kind of nervous to see how it's going to feel to get up and walk on, because it's really stiffened up in the night. blustery day, but it's actually quite pretty. Just exploring the lake a little bit. Now we've got this tailwind that's really whipping us down the lake. Kind of nice. Yeah, despite the cold and the clouds and everything, it's still a beautiful day. Just coming back into the landing. Oh, it's been a fun little trip. Nice to get out, eat some good food over the fire, hang out, and swing a paddle again. So, from me and from Cooper, thanks for coming along. We'll see you next time. There he is. Alright folks, tire off there. Thanks for coming along.
See you next time.
Yeah, buddy.
Peace.
As we just crash into each other.
Yeah.